Hi guys! Today I'm gonna teach you all the basics in English. So first, for greeting, we say hello or hi. And after that, we say how are you? How are you? How are you? And to answer this question is very easy. We say I'm fine, thank you, and you. But in normal everyday English, to make it less formal, we can also say, how's it going? How's it going? How's it going? And to answer this question, we say fine, thank you, and you. So practice with me, okay? How are you? Or to make it less formal, how's it going? Another way that you can say instead of how are you is how's everything? How's everything? How's everything? And to answer this question, we say everything is great or everything is fine. So, how's everything? Everything's great. Now, to introduce ourselves, we say, hi, I'm Tuấn. I'm Tuấn, or my name is Tuấn. Nice to meet you. Be careful with the meet and you. When we put meet and you together, we pronounce it meet you. So, nice to meet you. Okay? Now, practice it one more time with me, okay? Hi, my name is Tuấn. Nice to meet you. To ask for someone's name is very simple. We say, what is your name? Okay, what's your name? So, what's your name? My name is Tuấn. Nice to meet you. And if we have a friend and we want to introduce that friend, we say, this is my friend, Lisa. Okay, so this is. And we put it together, we have this is. Okay, this is a little bit difficult. So practice it one more time, okay? This is my friend, Lisa. Or we have another way to say it. I'd like you to meet my friend, Lisa. You can say, I would like you, but I'd like you is more natural. So, I'd like you to meet my friend, Lisa. Okay, next, I'm gonna show you the things that you need for every situation. The first thing is, excuse me. Excuse me. You can use excuse me in every situation. For example, excuse me, where is the bathroom? Or excuse me, can you show me the way to the gas station? Or excuse me, what time is it? Next is thank you very much. Thank you very much is a very important phrase that you need to learn first. And another way for you to say thank you very much is thanks a lot. Okay, so thank you very much or thanks a lot. Be careful with the TH sound. You have to put your tongue out a little bit. Thank you. And when someone says thank you to you, we say you're welcome or no problem. So, thanks a lot, you're welcome, or thank you very much, no problem. Next, when you meet a foreigner and they start speaking English with you, and if you're not confident, you can say, sorry, I don't speak English. Sorry, I don't speak English. Or you can say, I speak a little bit of English. So, for example, hi, my name is Tuấn. Nice to meet you. I speak a little bit of English. And one of the most important phrases in English is what's this and what's that. For example, what's this? It's a shirt. What's that? It is a camera. You can use this phrase to ask for things that you don't know how to say it in English. For example, this. What's this? It's a microphone. Easy, right? Next, when you are in a restaurant, and this one is very important, is where is the bathroom? Or you can say, where is the loo? Okay, so excuse me, where is the loo? And the last one is bless you. When someone sneezes, you can say, oh, bless you. So if I what do you say? Bless you. Yes. Okay. So those are all the basics that you need to know in English. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about this topic. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.